Welcome to DeepFND, the best software for deep foundation professionals. Are you a deep foundation professional looking for an all-in-one solution for your pile design projects? Let me introduce you to DeepFND, the ultimate software for designing any type of foundation pile, from helical piles and drilled shafts to CFA piles, driven piles, caissons, micropiles, and even stone columns. With DeepFND, you no longer need to juggle between spreadsheets and multiple programs. This is your complete design suite, handling everything from axial and lateral pile analysis to geotechnical and structural design checks, all in one place. It can automatically calculate bearing capacities, perform settlement analysis, and even run lateral pile analysis with moment, shear, and displacement diagrams, all with real-time visual feedback. Worried about code compliance? DeepFND includes structural design codes from around the world, Eurocodes, USIBC, ACI, OSHTO, Canadian, Australian, Indian codes, and more. Whether you're designing single piles, pile groups, or full pile rafts with custom-shaped pile caps, DeepFND can handle it. The program can analyze the cap with the FEM approach, calculating pressures, moments, settlements, and displacements, and transfer the loads at each pile, taking into consideration the pile locations. Want more power? You can run your models using 3D Finite Element Analysis and even design the pile caps, checking bending, shear, and punching using international standards. So if you're tired of jumping between tools and you want to design faster, smarter, and with confidence, DeepFND is made for you. Try DeepFND today and experience a truly integrated deep foundation design workflow.